Good morning, students. Welcome again in our science session. Okay, so we are on last part of our lesson number 3, fiber to fabric. In our previous session, we learned about spinning, right? What is spinning, and we have done activity from cotton to make cotton thread by using your hands. Okay, so in this session we will see about weaving. So let's start this session. Let's start this session with thought, good thought. What is today's thought? Today's thought is listening. It's about listening. Listening is the best way of learning. I hope you know all the importance of listening. But this is the best way of learning. When you are listening to your teacher, when you are listening to your elders, when they are giving information, or while teachers are teaching in the class, then it's very easier for you to understand the lesson or topic. Okay, so let's go to our next slide. As I told you, I am here not giving too much explanation or not repeating too much about previous lesson. As I already told you, we already learned what is spinning, method of spinning, right? I show you video about spinning using takli, spinning using charkha, right? And we have done activity for spinning using your hand. Okay, so in this session, as I told you, we are reading about weaving. So first, what we will do today we will first read all our lesson, and after that I'll conduct one activity for you. Okay, it's very simple activity. What you have to do, you have to do this activity at home. Okay, and I know, and I know you will just enjoy this activity. So first, let's finish our lesson with reading. I hope everybody is able to see fabric to yarn. In our previous session, what we learned? Fiber to yarn. Now, yarn to fabric. One step ahead. There are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. Okay? जैसे फाइबर टू yarns बनाने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. Same way there are many ways by to make fabric using yarns. Two main processes. हम यहाँ पे two main processes देखने वाले हैं only. That is weaving and knitting. Okay, weaving. In activity 2, you might have noticed that fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together. Okay, in our second activity, what was second activity? Forgot it? You are not supposed to be forget while you perform any activity. हमने एक फैब्रिक लिया था and we just separate the threads, yarns from that fabric, right? So that fabric is made up of two sets of yarn arranged together, right? First set is horizontally, second set is vertically. Okay, horizontally yarns arranged and vertically also arranged, and together they make piece of fabric. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make fabric is called weaving. ये जो सेट्स है जो हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकली जो यार्न्स अरेंज करते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टली वर्टिकली, ये प्रोसेस जो होती है फैब्रिक बनाने की, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड वेविंग. Let us try to weave some paper strips. As I told you, I'll explain this activity to you later. Okay? At the end of the session, I will explain this activity, or we will do this activity. Let's finish first reading. Activity 5. This is our fifth activity. Take 2 sheets of पेपर ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर. आपको 2 पेपर के सेट्स लेने हैं. कट स्क्वायर पीसेस ऑफ लेंथ एंड विड्थ इक्वल टू 30 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम ईच शीट. ओके, अगर आपके पास 30 सेंटीमीटर जितने लेंथ का नहीं है, यू कैन टेक इट वॉट एवर पेपर अवेलेबल एट योर होम राइट नाउ. You can use that paper. Don't go outside to buy paper. Okay? Then, if you don't have paper or different color paper at home now, then you do one thing, take plain white paper. Okay? It's available on everybody's home. I know that. Just take that plain white paper and color it either with your oil pastel, crayons, or wax colors or watercolors, whatever colors you available at home. Just color that paper. Okay, with take two different paper, different colors use to color these 2 different paper, and you can use that papers for this activity. Okay, so no need to go outside. Every solution for everything is here. We just want you do the activity without any excuses. So there will be no excuses for activity. Okay, now fold both sheets into half. ये sheets को आपको हाफ में फोल्ड करना है. On one sheet draw lines as shown in the figure. जैसे कि दिखाया गया है, ये मैं भी आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ एक्टिविटी में. 3.2a में जैसे 3.12 फिगर में जैसे दिखाया गया है, आपको वैसे एक इक्वल डिस्टेंस, इट मे बी 1 सेंटीमीटर. आई शो एक्टिविटी विथ 1 सेंटीमीटर, बट यू कैन टेक इट 1 इंच ऑल्सो, 1 सेंटीमीटर ऑल्सो, और 1.5 सेंटीमीटर ऑल्सो. द डिस्टेंस शुड बी इक्वल. ओके, सो कट बोथ द शीट्स अलॉन्ग डॉटेड लाइन. तो जो लाइंस ड्रॉ किए हैं वहाँ से आपको शीट को कट करना है. एक शीट के क्या करना है, आपको होल कट करना है टू मेक स्ट्रिप्स. ओके, along dotted lines, then unfold. Weave the strips one by one through the cuts in the sheet of paper as shown in figure 3.12c. ओके, यहाँ पे 3.12c फिगर में जैसे आपको दिखाया गया है. See the center figure. Okay, everybody able to see it? Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको स्ट्रिप्स को ऐड करना है 1 by 1, over down. Okay, 1 स्ट्रिप ग्रीन पेपर का अप आएगा. एक बार अगर आपने ऑरेंज स्ट्रिप ग्रीन पेपर के नीचे से ली है डाउन, देन फॉर नेक्स्ट स्ट्रिप यू हैव टू टेक इट फ्रॉम ओवर. ओके, अप डाउन. So figure 3.12d shows the pattern after weaving all strips. सब स्ट्रिप्स वेव करने के बाद जो पैटर्न आपको दिखाई देगा वो आपको ये 3.12d में दिखाया गया है. ओके, सो आई होप टिल हियर everybody understand this and read activity with me. Just observe first this activity. See the papers. Let me zoom it. Yes. Now see, this is 3.12a. B, first fold the paper, then cut the paper make one for one paper you have to make strips, for another paper you just have to make cut. अगर ये आपका पेपर है तो यहाँ से आपको यही तक कट करना है, ऊपर का 1 सेंटीमीटर पोर्शन आपको छोड़ देना है. ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट एज शोन इन फिगर C you have to just weave that strip over down over down over down. After making the whole sheet, your paper weaving is like this. This is called paper chatai also. So I hope you understand the procedure, written procedure. Okay, practically we'll do it at the end of the session. So let's continue our reading. Let me zoom it first. Okay, so this is activity 5. We already learned this. Yes, I hope everybody is able to read now. In similar manner, 2 sets of yarn are woven to make fabric. Same way में 2 sets of yarn fabric बनाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. The yarn are much thinner than paper strips. Thin होता है ना yarn, paper strips हमने पीक लिया है just to understand in easy way how the fabric woven. Okay, weaving of fabric is done on looms. यहाँ पे ऊपर हैंडलूम आपको दिखाया गया है. It's weaving in earlier years human do it by hand. Weaving is done by using hand looms as shown in figure. Okay, the looms are either hand operated or power operated. पहले hand से operated करते थे, अभी क्या है, अभी power operated हो गए हैं. That means machines आ गए हैं अभी. So here our weaving process is completed. What is second procedure to make a fabric? That is knitting. Have you noticed how sweaters are knitted? In knitting, a single yarn is used. Right? In weaving we need 2 yarns. In knitting we need 1 yarn only. Okay, single yarn used to make piece of fabric. जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है आपको ऊपर पिक्चर में 3.14. Okay, the best example of this knitting is your sweater. Alright, sweaters, socks, your winter caps. Okay, all these are made up by knitting, by the process of knitting using single fiber. Have you ever pulled yarn from torn pair of socks? कभी कभी होता है ना, सॉक्स में से एक धागा निकल जाता है, अगर आप खींचते हो तो पूरा वो निकलते जाता है. Right? What happens? A single yarn gets pulled out continuously. Right? As fabric gets unraveled होता है ना, वो जो वीविंग किया है वो निकला जाता है. Socks and many other clothing items are made of knitting fabrics. Knitting is done by hand and also on machines. पहले हैंड पे भी करते थे. योर ममा knows it better. तो ये हैंड पे भी करते थे, लेकिन अब ये मशीन्स पे भी करते हैं. पहले wants to know if you have seen any fabrics that is made of fibers on the outer covering of coconut. What are these fibers normally used for? अभी हम ये जो कोकोनट फाइबर है वो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्या एज अ फैब्रिक? नो, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी रफ. ओके, सो लेट्स सी, लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर रीडिंग. You will get answer for this. Here I put picture to understand you the knitting process. Weaving and knitting are used for making different kind of fabrics. These fabrics are used for a variety of clothing items. Weaving and knitting से जो fibers बनाए जाते हैं, different kind of fibers बनते हैं जो हम यूज़ करते हैं. Let's see the history of clothing material. Have you ever wondered what materials people use in ancient time for clothes? ये तो यान अभी बना है, पहले क्या यूज़ करते थे लोग? It appears that in those times people use bark and twig leaves of trees or animal skin and furs to cover themselves. Right? Big leaves, animal fur, ये cover bark of tree, ये cover body को cover करने के लिए वो use करते थे. After people began settle in agriculture communities, they learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and basket. ग्रास को एंड जो बाग होते हैं उनको टुगेदर वीव करना वो सीख गए. Wings, animal face और hair were twisted together along long strand बनाने के लिए they were woven into fabrics. After that they wove that strands into fabric by using their hands. The early Indians wove fabrics made out of cotton that grew in region near river Ganga. गंगा के पास उन्होंने सब इंडियन ने क्या किया, कॉटन प्लांट्स लगाए एंड इससे जो फैब्रिक बनता था दे आर यूजिंग दैट फैब्रिक. फ्लैक्स इज अ ट्री. फ्लैक्स इज ऑल्सो अ प्लांट दैट गिव्स नेचुरल फाइबर्स. ओके, फ्लैक्स भी हमें नेचुरल फाइबर देता है, हमने जैसे जूट प्लांट का देखा था. In ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax were cultivated near the river Nile and were used for making fabrics. इजिप्ट में नाइल नदी के पास में ये फ्लैक्स एंड कॉटन कल्टिवेट किया जाता था एंड जिससे वो फैब्रिक्स बना के वो फैब्रिक्स यूज़ करते थे. इन दोज डेज स्टिचिंग वॉज नॉट नोन. तब उस टाइम पे स्टिचिंग अभी तक नहीं पता था लोगों को. So they made all these fabrics by using their hands. People simply draped the fabrics around different parts of their body. तो अलग अलग छोटे छोटे पीसेज बनाते थे जो अपने डिफरेंट बॉडी को कवर करने के लिए यूज़ करते थे. Many different ways of draping fabrics were used. With the invention of sewing needle का उसके बाद invention हुआ. People started stitching fabrics to make cloths. उसके बाद क्लॉथ्स बनाने के लिए वो नीडल्स का यूज़ करने लगे. स्टिच क्लॉथ्स हैव गॉन थ्रू मेनी वेरिएशंस सिंस दिस इन्वेंशन. बट इज इट नॉट अमेजिंग दैट इवन टुडे साड़ी, धोती, लुंगी और तोबन इज यूज एज अनस्टिच पीस ऑफ फाइबर. स्टिचिंग किया जाता है कहीं से? नो ना. So, thus there is a large variety in the food eaten all over the country. जैसे कि ईटिंग फूड के जैसे वैरायटीज़ हैं वैसे इंडिया में कपड़ों की भी, फैब्रिक्स की भी बहुत सारी वैरायटीज़ है. यहाँ पे आपको एक डायग्राम दिया है. कॉटन बॉल्स को क्या किया जाता है? गीनिंग किया जाता है. देन फाइबर, उसके बाद स्पिनिंग के बाद फाइबर से यान मिलता है. यान्स को आइदर वीविंग आइदर नीटिंग से फैब्रिक्स बनाया जाता है. I hope everybody understand this lesson. Let's read these keywords fastly. It's very easy. Everyone should read with me. Cotton wool, that means cotton yarn. Fabric means cloth. Knitting is the process where single yarn is used to make fabric. Then spinning process of making yarn from fiber. Weaving, the process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make fabric. And thread, yarn means thread. Okay. So pictorial explanation. Let's see the history of clothing by using pictures. As I explain you, people are using different parts of fur of animal and leaves of trees to cover their body as shown in the picture. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? After that उन्होंने वेविंग सीख लिया जिससे वो वीव करना सीख गए. Then उसके बाद इन्वेंशन ऑफ नीडल, नीडल का इन्वेंशन हुआ। इन्वेंशन ऑफ नीडल के बाद चरखा यान बनाने के लिए, फाइबर टू यान बनाने के लिए चरखा का यूज़ हुआ। एंड आफ्टर दैट पीपल स्टार्टेड यूजिंग नीडल, people stitch the cloth, and nowadays also people using stitching clothes. Even today sari dhoti are unstitched, which we use today also. So let's see one video to understand history
You must have bought your clothes from some supermarket or a boutique. But have you ever wondered as to why do we need these clothes? Early humans covered themselves with leaves and twigs. Unlike animals, his skin was not strong enough to resist the variable temperatures in winter and summer. This is why they started covering themselves with animal skins and fibers from plant stems to survive the harsh summers and winters.
ये भी एनिमल फर से बना हुआ फाइबर है।
But how did early humans make clothes? Good question. They made clothes from fibers which were obtained from plants and animals. Flax is the oldest fiber in human history.
ये है फ्लैक्स फाइबर, ओके?
It was obtained from the inner bark of the flax plant. Through spinning and weaving, flax fiber was converted into the linen fabric. A fabric which was very popular in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia.
Ancient Egypt में यूज किया जाता था फाइबर मेड बाय
The idea of obtaining wool from the sheep came much later, but still it is one of the oldest fibers. Felt is one of the oldest textiles to be created from wool. Since it didn't require spinning or weaving, it was easy for ancient humans to make felt. Later on, humans started cultivating the cotton crops. Indus Valley Civilization is one of the oldest civilizations to cultivate cotton. The fabric was worn as a drape since stitching had not yet been invented. Gradually, people started stitching after the invention of needles.
Yes, यहाँ पे invention
At first, needles were made of bones and ivory. Well-tailored and embroidered clothes signified high class. In the past few centuries, humans have started making synthetic fibers from rayon and other plastics obtained from petrochemicals. The invention of machinery for ginning, spinning, weaving and stitching made it easy to manufacture clothes on a large scale. Power loom was invented in the 1700s. In the 1800s, sewing machine was invented. The fashion has been going through a constant evolution since centuries. However, the purpose of clothing is still the same.
Okay? So, I hope now everybody understand how it's made. Okay?